4-minute workout that replaces high-intensity cardio. If you're following a basic fat loss program, or losing weight is your goal in general, then chances are that there's some type of cardio training included in the program. Whether it's intervals or steady-state cardio, after a while things become mundane, boring, and you could just want to skip it altogether. You can replace these boring cardio routines with a quick and easy plank workout. Planks. Oh no, better go. But wait. First, you have to know this about planks, as these can be done faster than boring cardio routines with much less effort. In exercise number 1, I will give you a valuable trick that will surprise you for your plank workouts. You're going to love it. But, before continuing, don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to join us on the reign of ideas. Planks are more than just a static hold. Learn different variants on this core burning exercise to challenge your entire body. These exercises are incredibly effective for overall core strength, can help to improve your posture, tone. As a bonus, they can work your entire body, depending on what type of plank you do. This all sounds a lot more fun than just a static hold, doesn't it? Just do it with us every day when you have a little time. You don't need to have hours of availability, as a few minutes will be enough to do these simple exercises that will bring you multiple benefits. You don't even have to start your stopwatch because I'll be counting for you. So let's start with the plank number 5. Plank ups/downs. Begin in the fully extended plank position, and then lower one arm at a time into elbow plank position. Pause for 1 second in the elbow plank position, and then, again one arm at a time, push your way back up to a fully extended plank position. So we'll start the sequence for 60 seconds. This should be a quick motion, where you're aiming to get from elevated to elbow plank and back in a quick 1, 2, 3, 4 count before going back down again. Inhale, exhale. That's right. This plank is especially good for an extra challenge on an upper body day. Not only does this movement elevate your heart rate, it also works your chest, shoulders, back, and triceps along with your core. Tip: your hips shouldn't rotate when you're moving up and down. The key is to keep your glutes tight and maintain a neutral spine throughout the motion, even though you're going from hands to elbows. Your upper body should be the only thing making swift movements. Well done. Plank number 2, plank jacks. If you're brand new to these, begin in an elbow plank position. If you're an intermediate or advanced, do these in the full plank position. You'll feel a bit less impact on your upper body than if you choose to do the fully extended plank. So, begin in a plank position with your shoulders over your wrists, your feet together, and your body in a straight line. Similar to the motion of a jumping jack, jump your feet wide, keeping your buttocks down. Jump your feet back together. Be sure to keep your lower abs pulled in very tight as you jack your feet. If you do not pull them in, your body will bounce up and down and you will end up a sore back and less results. Keep your belly super tight. This time, only 30 seconds. Come on guys, you can do it. Ah, the plank jack. Such a fun hybrid of planks and those jumping jacks I despised having to do back in my PE class during junior high. Should be fun, right? You're getting a cardio burst workout while working your lower body, thick glutes firing on each movement. You're also engaging your chest, shoulders, back, triceps, and many stabilizer muscles with every single rep. Tip: keep your upper body stationary the entire time. Don't jump out with your arms as you do with your legs. Great job. Alright, here we go. Exercise number 3 is side plank rotation. Starting position. Bring your body back into the side plank. Lay your body on a fitness mat or on the ground with one side your lower arm supports you. The elbow is right below the shoulder. Stretch out the opposite arm vertically up. Brace the abs and lift your hip so that your body is in a line. Hold the hip up. Bend the upper arm while you turn in the upper body and guide the hand below your body. Hold it for a moment afterwards. Bring the arm and body back into the starting position. Breathe normally because your muscles will need to receive oxygen. In addition to working your ab and oblique muscles, you also work your lower back, hips, and shoulders. It's a great exercise for building core, strength, and stabilization. Side plank with rotation is more challenging than classic side plank. It requires strength and stability to perform with proper form. The side plank rotation activates all your abdominal muscles and strengthens your core. This exercise can help you improve balance, stability, endurance, and core strength. Now let's do it on the other side. Inhale, exhale. Focus on deep breaths throughout the duration in order to control your heart rate and ensure your correct muscles are working and not being strained. Three, 2, 1. I can see you're ready for exercise number 2, alternating arm and leg raise from plank. Alternating arm and leg raise from plank. Begin in an elevated plank position and extend your left arm straight forward at shoulder level. Extend your right leg straight back behind you, going no higher than hip level. Keep your abs and glutes tight. So, go now. Here's another way to turn your plank into a total body workout. You'll improve your strength, balance, and coordination as you alternate extending one arm and one leg at the same time. Just remember to use opposite sides, or you may find balancing even more complicated. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now repeat on the opposite side. Beyond the muscles in your abs, plank leg raises also work out your glutes, hamstrings, quads, and shoulders. Okay, just one exercise left. Before continuing, I have a very good trick for you. When performing standard or side planks, you can try attempt the sets for breaths rather than for time. For example, instead of holding a plank for 30 seconds, hold it for 5 long deep breaths. This targets 2 different types of core muscles, breathing muscles and postural control muscles. So we're going to continue. The exercise number 1 is forearm plank rocks. Start in a forearm plank with your elbows stacked under your shoulders and your forearms resting on the ground. Rock your entire body forward, coming more onto your toes and allowing your shoulders to go past your elbows. Make sure you keep your core engaged throughout the entire move. Don't allow your hips to raise or drop, and keep pushing your forearms against the floor so that you're not sinking into your shoulders. So go ahead, let's practice with our trick. Try to inhale and exhale deeply. Continue with this rocking motion. Then, rest some seconds and repeat the same for 5 to 10 deep breaths. Yeah, you can do it. I'm sure you can make it. See you tomorrow. Tell us about your experience with this workout in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe to stay on Reign of Ideas. But hey, don't go anywhere just yet. If you like this video, you are going to love our videos about 7 best exercises for a nice and bigger butt, and 7 reasons why your muscles are not growing.